After a very busy weekend, what is better than a good DIY at home and something to help your pretty face? Yes, I mean your beautiful face. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sydney S, and I would like to share to you some amazing fun fact, DIY, and hack at home. So paano maging beautiful? Ganyan lang, diba? Aura. I just woke up mga best, so I have nothing on my face, and so I came across this bubble mask on Instagram and also in Facebook as well. I also saw this in different kinds of websites. So I thought this looks fun and yummy at the same time. Now, what exactly is this mask supposed to do? I'm just going to give you a quick rundown that it's supposed to help heal the skin problem and also kill the acne, and it also helps the wrinkles. The wrinkle problem for those aging women like me. Also, this mask is going to make your skin firm as well. It also helps shrink the pores, especially on this side. Yes, we all do have that because every one of us have that. Okay, so nothing to worry about that. Those skin who has a very close pores could be they are doing something like putting an ice pack on the face. And also this mask from the one I made, it is really easy to make. I already had the ingredients in my kitchen. You will need an egg, but we're only going to use the egg white. And we're also going to use a sugar, and then we're going to blend it. Any types of blender can do. And then start blending it until it's totally whipped. And then you can see the difference that it will create bubble as you are going to blend it. You just have to make sure that it's totally whipped. So this is the outcome of the whipped egg and sugar at the same time, and we're going to apply now in our face. You deserve to be my wife. Just like that. So beautiful. And this is so fun. I really like this mask. So everything was applied now. As you can see that the bubble is right on my face. So we are going to massage it to have this beautiful firm skin. So from there, make sure your hands are clean, and we're going to massage.
Whatever you do with slow motion, pick it up now, Millie.
Just like
rock, pick it up now, Millie. Rock, pick it up now, Kodak. Black, pick it up now, Kodak. Black, pick it up now, hit them. Folks, pick it up now, hit them. Folks, pick it up now, Smurda. Dance, pick it up now, Smurda. Dance, pick it up.
It goes knock, knock, knock 'em out the box. With power, with shop around the clock.
have to wait for like about 10 to 15 minutes to make our mask dry. You have to make sure that this part has been very well applied and massaged. Yes, certainly like that. So, I added another bubble on my face because I want my bubble to absorb right here on my skin. So you have to wait another 10 to 15 minutes because you need to let this dry and make sure that everything will be absorbed.
15 minutes later.
Well, as you can see that my face is a little bit shiny and the feeling is kind of sticky as well. So I need to wash this up and I will be back.
A few moments later.
So hi guys, I've already washed my face and as you can see that everything is so clean, I'm gonna zoom this out. See, kita nyo yan? Malinis na malinis. You can see my skin imperfection. You can see my little freckles. Yan, may freckles na si ate. So you can see that my fresh skin is now ready for moisturizing and I'm gonna do this right after this video. So hang on tight. This is the effect of the bubble mask and I guess you need to try this at home because I'm very sure that you will love this, okay? And I hope to see you guys again next time and let me know if you've tried this bubble mask. I was attacked by a hater that my face is edited and it's so funny. Well, anyway, this is my video without a makeup on. So I don't care whatever you think about me. I don't care whatever you will say about me. As long as I'm living and as long as I'm breathing, I don't care about you. So God bless you and I hope you have a happy life. The bubble mask. I'm sorry. Humihingal ako, Besh. Bakit kaya?
I just want to insert this thing that I want to share. I was attacked by a basher at first. So paano maging beautiful? Ganyan lang. I just woke up mga best, so I have nothing on my face. Sa mga do's and mga so hi guys. Everything's dried up now. It's going to just now what exactly is this going to do? What is this mask going to do? I just woke up and hi guys, I'm back. So hi guys, I'm back, and so now that our mask is ready, this is the outcome of the whipped. Please bear with my voice. I don't have makeup. So I hope you will let me know, because if you will. So hi guys, I'm back, and I've already washed my face, and from the mask that I have made, the bubble mask, I'm sorry. I'm really magical, yeah. After a very busy weekend, what is better than a good DIY at home, and something to help you